I am empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free. With courage and strength I'll face the day.
Hello.
Hello,
everyone.
Good morning.
Good evening from
Good
UK.
evening.
Good
Good
evening.
afternoon
from Niagara Falls.
Good evening from Italy.
Wow, that's
Wow,
So
global,
global talaga, global. We are
global
global.
reach.
global
Yeah.
business. So, magandang araw, everyone. Welcome to our Empowered Women live streaming. And can you believe it? We are now over 260,000 members globally in our community. At may mga 1,100 plus pa na sumasali just last week.
Yes.
So, ang bilis talaga ng paglaki at ang saya na maging part ng ganitong supportive family. Di ba si Cheryl?
Yes, Sis Bernadette. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. At syempre, today, before we start, gusto nating i-congratulate si Sis Irene for her amazing business results. So yes, congratulations, Irene.
Congratulations,
Yes.
Irene.
Galing. So proof na kapag consistent ka, may result ka talaga.
Name.
Yes. Today, we will dive into very powerful topic, which is excellence, habits, plus avoiding good enough and mindset. So, yes, Sister Bernadette.
Yes, that is. You know what? Excellent is not about perfection. It's about raising your standards, building habits, at hindi lang pumapayag sa, well, pwede na. At syempre, everything starts with the right mindset. Di ba, sis Cheryl?
Yes, tama ka dyan, Sis Bernadette. And syempre, we also want to make today a very special, extra special kasi kasama natin ang dalawang celebrants, which is Imelda, it's just birthday today, and Sis Cherry, ang birthday niya rin kahapon. So happy birthday to both of you guys.
Happy
Happy
birthday!
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Yes, I love
Birthday.
you.
Both of you. All right, so let's not
Happy
wait.
birthday.
Yes, so let's not wait any longer. Let's hear first from our birthday girl today, Sis Imelda.
Yay.
Yes.
There you go.
Hello guys, I'm here today again to as well as
Naka-cut off siya.
but I
Choppy, choppy lang.
we my audio is good, right? You can hear
Yes,
me now.
yes, now good.
I
Now
have three things really quickly about our presentation today that I would like to share. Number one is really small habits make good momentum. Good and big and great momentum. How's that? Because posting and engaging, daily, it's if it's compounded, it's compounding into visibility, into being creative. You have trust, your relationship with the viewers and also with the community members, and you have an authority. Skipping means, you are inconsistent and you lost trust. When you lost trust, you lose momentum. Second is that habits reduces mental load. I never really know this, because habits, when you develop habits, what happens is that it becomes automatic. So say for example, you're thinking, should I post today or tomorrow? But with habits, it becomes like a natural flow. So it frees you from decision fatigue. So even though you're saying to yourself, procrastinating, I should say, okay, those will be next week, I'll do the task like 24 to 48 hours from now, and so many excuses. So eventually you become tired, right? So disregard all the inner distractions going on with your mind. And number three is that habits compensates discipline. How's that? Because motivation really is not very good, it rises and falls. If you have habits, you're moving steadily, and if you move, like if you don't like even studying or training, you would do it because it is so steady. Then there is really no bursts of inspiration. It's not like an overnight. When you move steadily, one task for certain hours of time in a day compounds to something really big and greater. So my call to action to this one is that how you sharpen really your habits. As for me, I must admit sometimes I'm really slow. Sometimes it depends on your pace. That's the beauty of this digital business. You can really adjust. You have control. Of course, as fast as you can make it, you'll get results. But this is not quick, rich. Business. And so, as for me, I love running. I run 6 miles a day, and so I have my headphones. I listen. I do short training while I'm doing my habits. And so, my encouragement for you for today, or even ask yourself, is that by next week, which is that habit that you want to sharpen in order for your digital business to grow? So I hope you be able to answer that. Comment there, and then let's hear what is that specific one habit that you can think of that you will sharpen, that will grow your business. Thanks, guys. Back to you, host.
Unmute. Sorry. Yes, thank you, Sis Imelda. Tama ka dyan. Habit is always the foundation for everything, and it's a good thing as well that you are keeping yourself active, in order to come up with this thing. So we have now with Sis Vicky. Yeah. Now let's hear from Sis Vicky, who will share her own journey of consistency. Sis Vicky.
Hello everyone, this is Vicky from Italy. I'm a travel sub-agent. And for me, excellence is not about being perfect. Kasi let's be real, wala namang perfect sa atin, di ba? Pero alam nyo, excellence for me is about being consistent. Kahit maliit lang yung steps na ginagawa natin everyday. Hindi kailangan yung bongga, hindi kailangan grande, katulad ng tawag namin, hindi kailangan grande, basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang, little by little. Nagbi-build ka ng momentum. At kapag nagpapatuloy ka, eventually, makikita mo yung big results. So, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo ngayon, whether it's sa work, sa studies, or sa business, don't pressure yourself to be perfect. Just focus on moving forward daily kahit baby steps. Kasi doon nagsisimula ang tunay na excellence. Saan ka pwedeng maging consistent this week, even 1%? Saan din ako pwedeng maging consistent? For me, it's because we are running our 90-day Beyond Challenge. Medyo nakakapaglaylo ako sa aking mga go lives. And I want to be consistent on that by next week because I've been so busy with my main work this week. So how about you? Whatever you are doing, ano ang gusto mong i-improve? Saan mo gustong maging consistent kahit 1% lang ng iyong effort? Okay, back to you, host.
All right. Salamat, Sis Vicky. Really, consistency is the key. So, kailangan talaga natin maging consistent sa anumang mga ginagawa natin. Lalong-lalo na dito sa business natin. It takes consistency to make it really habit. So, next, let's hear from Sis Lisa, a fellow nurse and a single mom, on how routine helped her raise her standards. Sis Lisa?
Hello, hello. Ako palang next. Okay. Hello everyone. So, yeah, so I'm Lisa and meron akong dalawang anak and I'm a single mom of two. Nurse rin ako dito sa UK. So, for me, being a single mom, a nurse at saka digital business owner, my life is napaka-busy talaga. So, and 24 hours is never enough for me. Hindi talaga ang hirap na pagkasya-kasyahin yung oras. Pero like yung mga sa work ko, sa mga responsibilities ko sa bahay, ganun, kailangan ko ring magkaroon ng time for my kids kahit na malalaki na sila. So, ang dami, you name it. Pero alam niyo guys, I've realized na excellence doesn't mean to be perfect. Kasi nobody's perfect naman eh. So, excellence means meron kang structure at saka routines na sinusunod. So, like me, I'm just relying on myself. So, ang ginagawa ko para ma-organize yung life namin mag-iina. So, I had to make sure na okay kami yung life namin, yung mga activities namin the following day. So, I have to prepare everything the night before. So, tulong-tulong kaming mag-iina the night before. So, I had to make sure na hindi kami nagmamadali, ganun, on the following day. So, kahit na yung mga routines lang, kahit in simple ways, simple na mga bagay lang, kasi yung habits, good habits yung that's the foundation talaga. So like yung digital business ko kailangan ko ring i-organize. So kahit 30 minutes a day or 1 hour, it's already enough for me to do my business. Kasi kung minsan pagod na rin ako sa trabaho ko sa hospital. So balik sa bahay, ganon. And I still have to do my responsibilities. So, pero nagagawa ko pa rin. At least, every day, tuloy-tuloy yun. Nagagawa ko yung business ko. So, we really need to balance everything para without sacrificing our dreams. Pagdating naman sa kasi having this business rin, kailangan mo talaga yung mindset mo talaga nakaset. Kasi, from yung parang may mga common na talaga sinasabi natin na I have no time, I can't, parang ganon. But we can shift that to I will make time, I can learn, parang ganon, I can grow on this business. So everything is possible. So every even yung parang napaka-busy mo, even in small steps, at least you're moving forward. So, think about this. Being a single mom, ako nga single mom, nagagawa ko itong business na ito. So, what more yung mga parts, yung mga meron kayong time, may mga partner sa buhay, ganun. Makakaya nyo rin to kasi every excellence means you can start with small consistent habits. So ang tanong ko sa inyo ngayon, so ano yung mga dapat na gawin nyo, like mga routines for this week na dapat i-set up nyo para maging productive kayo without sacrificing what truly matters. So,
Sis Malu? Si Sherry. Oh.
Hello! Hi, everyone!
Hello,
At
hello.
ako'y nakahabol. Yes! Thank you, Ate Lisa, for that. Napakaganda yung sinabi ni Ate Lisa. Kahit na super busy siya, di ba, kailangan lang, andun din yung kailangan mong i-affirm yung sarili mo na I can do it, di ba? Napaka-importante yan. Alrighty. Ano bang ano natin? By the way, pasensya na narate ako, belated happy birthday kay Ate Sherry, and of course, happy birthday kay Ate Imelda. Yay! And congratulations kay Ate Irene. Kung ako, talaga sinamantala ko na, no? Anyway, ayan. Sino ang next na ano natin? Si Sis, habang inaantay natin mag-join si Sis Girly, si Sis Josie. Magparamdam ka, Sis Josie. Are you in the avocado? Yan. Your time to shine.
Hi everyone. So here we are again. My name is Josie and I'm coming to you from the UK. So I am a mom and I'm a grandma as well. And I'm a digital business owner. So the topic that I'm discussing is mindsets, is everything. So yeah, for me, mindset changed everything. Back then, doubts always held me back. And I kept questioning myself is, am I good enough? Or can I really do this business? But the moment that I chose to believe in myself, something shifted. So I became more open to opportunities, more willing to take action, and more confident in moving forward. So excellent doesn't start with perfect action. It starts in our mind. So mindset is really important. The belief that we can grow and succeed. With this in mind, I have a question. My call to action question is, what limiting belief can I, no, ask yourself, what limiting belief can I let go this week so I can finally move forward? So remember that, that change always starts from within. And before it shows on the outside. Okay. So anyway, that's from me. Thank you very much.
Unmute yourself.
So there you go. So that is very powerful. Mindset. Mindset is everything. That's so powerful, sis Josie. We really need to speak about mindset, and that will twist everything. Now let's hear from another inspiring voice na nag-birthday ka. So si Sis Cherry.
Thank you so much for all the greetings and love. Celebrating with all you all feels extra special for sure, because it reminds me of a gift of connection and community. So for me, I'm Sherry again, birthday girl yesterday, So it was nice feeling that everyone, remembers and being thoughtful on your birthday. So for me, excellence is just about pushing harder or working nonstop. Excellence is also about balance, that weighing scale, you have to balance yourself. So hindi lang puro tayo trabaho, kailangan may tamang pahinga, tamang focus, correct? Your focus. What is your focus? What is your goal? Tamang priorities. What is your priority in life? So that's will go in hand. You have to rest and look, focus and prioritize. So when we create balance, we build something that's not only successful, but also sustainable. Kasi yung lagi lang tayo na daming ginagawa, pero daming hustle, but we are not focused walang space, we have no space to breathe, to recharge, or even spend time with God and our loved ones. So, mabilis tayo ma-burn out if walang balance sa life. So, but when we honor both our work and our rest, we move forward with clarity, energy, and joy. So, very clear kung ano yung goal natin. So, that's why we need balance in everything that we do. So, this week, I'm choosing to honor balance in life. Is a part of our growth, whatever we are doing, especially in this business. So I encourage you to do the same. Make your goal clear, so focus and priorities, so you have that balance. You have time freedom for your family, and also, we don't forget we have a responsibility for our spiritual life, for balance. So first and foremost, we thank God, for what we have in our life. So today, I want you to ask yourself, or we ask ourselves, so saan ko pwedeng gawin ang small adjustment to create more balance this week? Sometimes one small shift is all it takes to feel lighter and more closer to the life you're building. Sometimes letting go that is not important is good enough for us to redirect and move forward to our goal. Kaya kailangan balanse ang buhay para tayo masaya. And then we can be successful in everything we do. Thank you. Back to you, host.
Thank you, Ate Sherry, for that wonderful reminder sa ating lahat kasi ang excellence, it's not just doing more. Sabi nga, it's about knowing when to rest, when to pause, and ano pa yung sinabi niya, tamang priorities para most of the time we're all busy, hustling, with so many other things, juggling with so many other things, and nakakalimutan nating nawawala yung ating focus, diba? And we don't have space to breathe, ika nga. So, balance isn't the opposite of growth. It's what growth that makes it possible, sabi niya. So, it takes only one small shift, sabi niya atin. And parang frozen lang yan. Let it go, sabi sa Frozen, di ba? Just let go of what no longer serves you para ma-regain ulit yung energy. And of course, you can move forward to your excellence. Alrighty, sino ang ating next na ano dyan? Help me guys. Sis Rosalie, okay.
Rosalie.
Sis Rosalie. There you go.
Hello. Bakit naka-freeze ako?
Na-freeze ka.
Hindi gumagalaw ang aking mukha.
Okay, okay lang. Basta naririnig ka namin, te.
Okay. So,
You're present.
Na-frozen ka.
Bakit hindi gumagalaw ang mukha ko? So tonight I will share how mindset opens new doors. Alam nyo, natutunan ko talaga na kapag nag-shift ang mindset ko, biglang nagiging visible yung opportunities, yung dati na hindi ko nakikita. Noon kasi nakapokus lang ako sa trabaho ko bilang dental assistant, sa pag-aalaga halimbawa ng pamilya, at sa dami ng responsibilidad. But akala ko, yun lang yung kaya ng buhay ko. Pero natutunan kong baguhin ng aking pananaw na imbes na limitihan ko, tiningnan ko siya as possibilities na unti-unting nagbukas ng pintuan. So for me, excellence is not being perfect, but yung maniwala na may kaya pa pala akong gawin sa edad ko. At mag-take action kahit yung small steps lang. Alam mo yun, kasi minsan yung simpleng decision na ginagawa ko halimbawa sa araw-araw, yun pala yung magbubukas ng malaking blessings sa aking buhay. And this is it, yung pag-join ko sa digital business. So, hanggang ngayon po ay naka-freeze pa rin ang aking pagmumukha. But then, alin pa yung opportunity ang hindi ko napapansin dahil sa...
Sorry, ganyan rin ako.
At
last
paano ko
week.
ito mababago ngayong week na to. So, no, ang sagot ko dito is yung mas mas mag-concentrate pa pag nakikita ko yung mga naka-freeze, I keep going. So itatanong natin yan sa ating mga audience, ano ba yung opportunity na hindi mo napapansin dahil sa mindset mo. So, na pwede mong gawin or baguhin this week. That's all for me. Back to you, host. Thank you.
Frozen cry.
So, parang frozen ka din.
What happened to me?
Para lahat rin natin na tayong lahat. But anyways, napakaganda ng sinabi ni Sis Rosalie sa atin na actually excellence starts when you believe. Yung naumpisahan mo na marami pa palang possibilities. And when you believe in yourself, excellence happens. So, and now, of course, to close our speaker segment, we'll hear from Cheryl, and who will wrap up with her own reflection sa ating topic ngayon.
Hello everyone. So this is Cheryl again. And yes, before I say my part, I just want to take this moment to congratulate as well our sister Malu for being one of the speakers yesterday in the Millionaires Mastermind. So congratulations to you, sis. We are so proud of you. Yes.
Shell, look at me, hindi ako gumagalaw.
Thank you.
But I'm alive.
Andiyan pa rin si Sis Rosalie, don't worry.
Yeah, can hear you.
Akala mo UK lang ha? Pati
Oo
Italy din
nga.
pala.
Kaya nga.
Ayan. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much, guys. So, excellence is not about being perfect. It is really about, choosing to raise your standards little by little. Kasi, di ba, when you settle for pwede na, that's good enough, we stop ourselves from growing. But when we build small habits, protect our mindset, and keep aiming higher, kahit unti-unti lang yan, it all adds up, and that's how real transformation happen. So that's just like Malu, she joined the Millionaire Mastermind yesterday as a speaker. So that's a milestone for her. Kaya hindi lang siya, biglaan, kundi step by step mo siyang gagawin. So yes. So bago magsimula next week, tanungin niyo ang sarili niyo, saan ka ba pwedeng, saan mo siya pwedeng erase yung standard mo sa yung sa buhay mo o kaya sa business mo. Kahit 1% lang 'yan. Remember, kahit maliit na shift, basta consistent ka lang, it can create massive results. Okay, thank you. That's all.
All right. Thank you so much, Ate She, and thanks for those wonderful and kind words again. So let's wrap up na po. So for those who are watching right now, if you'd like to connect with us, I'll be showing up all our beautiful faces here, and try to learn more about the business and catch our free live webinars or replays. You can check here, and I'm just going to show. All right, so this is my website, www.digitalmsconsulting.com, and I have a page here as well, Digital Mompreneur Space. There you go, and you can follow me for more about digital online business. So, alrighty, Sis Bernadette, what's your website?
All right, as you can see, Bernadette here once again as early childhood educator, and now, of course, a proud digital business owner talking to you live. And my business website is www.bernadettejourney.com.
Hello, guys. This is Imelda. I'm a mom of 5. I'm an oncologist here in the United States. for the USA, as you see. Thank you so much. Thank you. My website is www.imelda.com. And remember this, okay? Focus is your ability to make your energy mobile. We'll see you.
Yes. So if you're ready to go beyond good enough and start living with excellence, type excellence on the comment below and sama-sama tayong mag-grow, guys. So my website is www.mamalisa-an.com.
Hello, this is Vicky. I'm a mom of two, a travel sub-agent from Italy. And my website is www.vickyventures.net.
Hi there. It's me again. So my website is, as you can see, www.kimayongjslifestyle.com. Remember, mindset is everything. Put your mind in everything that you do, and you'll be all right. Thank you very much.
And you.
Unmute, sis.
Mute.
Mute.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sherry. I'm a nurse. So remember this: you have to have a balance in your life. Stay focused and prioritize to have joy and clarity to what you're doing. So my website is www.sherrylamis.com. And thank you for all your greetings. Happy birthday to me.
Again. Hanggang ngayon po, ay ako po ay naka-freeze pa rin, but still kicking. I keep moving, I keep talking. Okay? So, huwag po kayong mahiyang matanong. Be inspired and God bless. Ang aking pong website ay www.rosalico.com. I would like to say hi to Jeneline Baon, ang mga ka-churchmate ko, and Belen, na nanonood siya ngayon. Thank you for watching. God bless. Back to you.
Hello, everyone. Yes, I'm Cheryl again. So be consistent, dream bigger, work smarter, and never settle for less. So you can find me at www.cheryl-young.com. Back to you guys.
Hi. So, thank you to all our speakers at maraming salamat sa mga nanood sa amin ngayon. Once again, happy birthday sis Sherry and sis Imelda. Congratulations sis Irene and sis Malu. That's a big one, and excellence in empowered women. Thank you, ladies. And thank you to everyone na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aming lahat.
Cutie.
See you next time, and let's keep raising our standards together. The empowered women, and happy ending, everyone. Bye.
Good night. Good night, guys.
Bye. Thank you.